Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a filing that smells a bit like someone trying to tidy up before company arrives, hiding things under the rug. We will get through it and see what exactly is swept under there. This report comes from Abacus Global Management, and it looks like they're trying to swap out some of their existing warrants for new ones. Sounds simple, right? Well, let's dig in and see if there's more to it than meets the eye. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can discuss this and other filings with fellow investors. Let's get started. Okay, so the earliest event reported in this filing happened on June 27, 2025. This is the date Abacus Global Management officially decided to move forward with what's called an exchange offer. Simply put, they're offering to trade the warrants that have already been issued in the market to buy their stocks for new, possibly better warrants. Warrants are like options. They give you the right to buy a share at a specific price. This document is what's known as an 8K filing. Companies use these to quickly inform investors about significant events. Think of it like a corporate announcement. What makes the company think this warrant exchange meets that criteria? The company we are looking at is Abacus Global Management Inc. They are based in Orlando, Florida. They are in Delaware, which matters because that defines the legal environment under which they operate. Now, let's quickly check which of their securities are registered. We see they have common stock trading under the symbol ABL, warrants trading as ABLL, all on the NASDAQ stock market. The core of this filing concerns something called Regulation FD disclosure. FD stands for fair disclosure. Basically, companies have to make sure that if they share important information with some investors, they share it with everyone at the same time. The goal? No insider trading or selective leaks, so everyone has a fair shot. So Abacus Global Management is planning to offer an exchange program for its outstanding warrants, both the ones available to the public and those from private placements. It means Abacus wants to swap out the old warrants that allow people to buy their stock with new ones. It is a bit they are trying to refresh the terms under which people can invest in their company. The details of that refreshed investments have to be fair to everyone. And that's it for the main part of the filing itself. The remaining section tells us that there is a press release with more details. Let's investigate what the press release says. The press release states more or less the same thing. This exchange offer is for existing warrant holders. But why? Why would a company do this? The release itself doesn't say. Now let's zoom out and try to understand the implications of this move. Or can we conclude from all of this? First, the warrants themselves. Warrants are options to buy stock at a set price. They're often issued to raise capital. Existing warrants are trading on the NASDAQ. Second is about the exchange. Since existing warrants are already trading freely and there is no obvious indication here to what these new warrants are, it's difficult to see why they would do this other than that the company is in trouble. It wants to replace warrants to make themselves look better. This could be advantageous if, for instance, the company believes it can negotiate better terms or simply wants to consolidate its outstanding securities. The value is in the details they aren't presenting here. If you are a holder of warrants, you should try and understand what this exchange offer is ASAP. Alright, that's our breakdown of Abacus Global Management's latest filing. What's your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description where we can delve deeper into these topics. Thanks for watching. See you next time.